This video, I'm going to be guiding you through on the interface of the EasyLive Studio platform. So, as you can see, if you want to get to this interface from our previous video, all you just need is to create an account and click on the sign in section, and you will get to this section. So, in this video, I will be reviewing each interface of the platform to you. So we are going to start by the left hand side. So on the left hand side, we have the layout section. The layout section is the section where you be able to like choose different formats in which you'll be creating your content and going live on this other side. So here is a full screen option, and here is for full media option, and we have the lower dot for the text and the media. And you can use each of these sections in order to create your present your content. So on the content section, you will have different options in which you'll be able to like upload your content, the flow section and the song section, and many other options available on the content section. So we also have on this section the scenes section. The scene section is where you will be seeing the content you're adding on this preview section. The preview section is where you'll be seeing activities of what you're doing on the platform, on the studio, like what you're going to be presenting on the studio before going live. While on the output section, the output channel represents um the view section, like what you'll be presenting. The output channel like FOH is front of the house, stage and overflow room is options available for you to add in order to like showcase on the live section. And the audio mixer is where you can enable your microphone and also add audio options available for you. Then the record section is the section available for you to record activities that you're presenting and to be able to like export it as well. While on the stream section, the stream or live section is where you can stream every activity on the live section whenever you go live to other social platforms like YouTube, Venmo, and so many other platforms. Like looking at this, you're going to see Facebook, Twitch, Venmo, and you can be able to link it from this studio to each of these platforms and also stream it there from the studio here. So on this other side, this is where your live will be showing. Like anytime you go live, it is going to be shown here. And if you click on the go live section, it will be previewed here from your preview section, and we'll have camera here. Then the text section is a section where you will be is a section between the preview and the live section. Any content you're adding on your schedule will be shown here, and if you go live, it will now be shown here, just like as you can see. I'm live currently, and I'm going to stop the live. So on this other section, we have the production section, which contains your content and media schedule, audio mixer, audio switch, and macros. And this other section, we have the output channel. Just like I explained here, you can set up your output channel, and also like this is also for the output channel for monitor. The monitoring is whatever thing you're going to present here. You can also change this into a multi-view, as you can see on the text section. Whichever thing you add in here is going to show, whichever content you're adding that is going to be shown live will be shown on the text section. So the collaboration section is if you want to like invite a team which you want to like go live with or to broadcast with using the studio, you can use this section, or you can remotely share through feed and also the remote control section. So these are the sections available on the studio. And another section is your profile section, which contains your billing and the subscription section, your AI credit, studio settings, where you can enable dark or light mode, and your sign up section as well. So thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video.